So here's a set of vent windows off an old, I think it's a 1927 REO. These are stainless steel parts, not to be chromed. For a good old fella, I'm doing some work for. So here we are. I've taken these pieces, they had some pretty deep galleries in them. It's amazing to see solid stainless steel like this. Back in the day, we were metalsmiths. In America, we knew how to do these things. Anyway, so I had to 80 grit them in some areas, 120, 240 on the belt. Went over to our compound wheel just to smooth them down a little bit. These actually had some ridges in them from when they were bent, and you know, it's really hard to take stainless steel from such deep gouges and get these beautiful mirror finishes. Next off, I'm going to be VAing with a 400 grit, then I'm going to go to a 600, and we'll test the metal, we'll see what kind of stainless. I believe this is a really nice grade of stainless steel, so it can buff up pretty nice. Okay, so now we changed the wheel. This is an airflow wheel, and now we're going to buff for luster. Two more procedures, this and then a color buff. I don't know if you can see the difference, how much brighter that is in this area. There you see it. It's starting to get some real brilliance out of this now. One more buff, and then you'll just pop. So I'm not going to waste your time making you watch the same thing over and over, but try to give you an idea. Okay, here we are, the final product. I do apologize, I did not show the final color buff. Just using a flannel wheel. But look at the depth in this now. It's amazing, you know. Let's keep in mind, these pieces are off a 96-year-old vehicle. Remember, when the stainless steel was rolled around, there was some tooling marks all throughout here. Cut all them nice and flat. Absolutely guaranteed that there's probably none other out there that look this nice. So that's our stainless steel buff procedure. Remember to subscribe, and thank you for watching.